Okay, given any first term and any other term in an arithmetic sequence, we want to find a given term. Step number one, we're going to substitute the values given for a subscript 1, which is the first term, a subscript n, and n, into the formula a subscript n, which is equal to a subscript 1 plus parentheses n minus 1 times d, which is a common difference, to solve for d. And then we're going to find a given term by substituting the appropriate values that we found for a subscript 1, n, and d into the formula. So for example 3, we want to write in terms of an arithmetic sequences. We are given that the first term is 8. We are also given that the fourth term is 14, and we want to be able to find the fifth term. So in step number 1, the sequence can be written in terms of the initial term, which is 8, and the common difference d. So we know that we have 8 for the first term. The second term is 8 plus the common difference d. The third term is 8 plus 2 times the common difference d. And the fourth term is 8 plus 3 times the common difference d. So what can we take from this information? Well, we know that the first term, 8, is equal to 8. We know that the fourth term, 14, is equal to that. So what we can look at is, we can say that this a subscript 4, or the fourth term, which is 14, which was given, is equal to 8 plus 3 times the common difference. So we know the fourth term is equal to 14, and we know the fourth term has the form a subscript 1 plus 3d, which is equal to 8 plus 3 times the common difference. So we can find the common difference using this information. So again, this is what the formula looks like. And so we know from here that the fourth term is going to equal this formula, which is the first term plus 3 times the common difference. So this is our formula. We can see that a subscript 4 is equal to that. Now we know that the fourth term is 14, and we're going to set it equal to 8 plus 3d. Now we can solve for d by isolating d. So we're going to subtract 8 to both sides. So 14 minus 8 is 6. And then we're going to divide by 3. So 6 divided by 3 gives us 2. So now we figured out that the common difference is equal to 2. Now we can find the fifth term by adding the common difference to the fourth term. So using the formula, we can say that a subscript 5 being the fifth term, that means we have 5, and then we subtract 1, which gives us 4. We know that the first term is 8, and we know the common difference is 2. So 8 plus 8 is going to give us 16. So we can see that the fifth term is going to give us 16. Or we can say, okay, we can take the fourth term and add the common difference, which is 2, and so therefore 14 plus 2 is equal to 16. Now notice that the common difference is added to the first term once to find the second term, twice to find the third term, and 3 times to find the fourth term, and so on. The 10th term could be found by adding the common difference to the first term 9 times, or by using the following equation.